and welcome to episode number 13 in my Metroidvania course demo series. Let's continue and have a look at some of the features you will learn how to implement when you enroll in this course. Let's start. The next feature we have is the advanced life bar. As you can see up here in the corner, we're taking damage. And the health bar is decreasing, bar for bar. So if we take some damage here, you have the effect right there. And next, we're going to make sure that the hero can die in the game. And this is the animation for that. This was all for episode number 13. In a day or two, we will continue in episode number 14. See you there.